Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the window breaker. This little guy looks like a handy little tool. So if you get locked in your car or something and water's rising, there's a lot of flooding going on, there will be, maybe, perhaps. Check out this little guy right here. It's like a little keychain, all right? And it's got a seatbelt cutter right there, and it's got a little whistle. Test out this whistle here. This is crazy. Ready? Okay. It's really loud. That's a really loud whistle. That's pretty neat. And also, so it has a seatbelt cutter. I didn't want to go out in my truck and cut my seatbelt, so I'm just gonna have to show you with this. It's like a strap that's pretty burly. So let's see if we can't slice this here with this right here. Wow, went right through it. Okay, so that's pretty handy. And also now, this is a little glass breaker here. Safety first, everybody. Let's see here. All right, I have a glass jar here. So you just push this against it and then it strikes. It's got a little sharp object in there. So let's try it out here. See if we can't. Okay, that slipped. Let's be a little bit more careful here. Oh wow, look at that. So this has a plastic sticker over the top, but you can see the glass is cracked there. That's crazy. All right, so you just press this against it, and once it hits the bottom, it just fires that little thing in there. So it's just like a, and there we go. You can see this line is cracked right up to there and all the way down there. That is insane. I'm going to try one more right here on the bottom here. Let's see if you can guys see that. Look at that. So it's a lot thicker on the bottom, but you can see that divot it made there. And so this is a little bit different glass, I think, than like window glass for cars. Which is more, it's stronger, but it also can can shatter into those little tiny pieces that it's like, whatever, I can't remember what kind of glass it is, right? Tempered glass or something like that. Anyways, you can see that look at that, it just cracked it. I'm sure if it didn't have this this sticker on there, it's pretty gnarly. I mean, I was yeah, I don't want to do my coffee cut, but it would probably just, what you don't want to do is push on that and let it fire in your finger. It probably hurt pretty good. I'm doing this in like a piece of wood or something, and it just makes a little dent in there. It's pretty crazy. All right, here's a solid piece of metal, but bam, look at that. It made a little indentation right in there. So it shoots this little, yeah, it's like a, what is that? It's like a hardened little piece of metal there, and it just stabs right into it. It's pretty crazy with quite a bit of force, as you can see. So handy little thing here. It's super small, maybe as a gift to a loved one or something, just in case you get stuck in your car or something. Heaven forbid you go off a cliff or something and end up in the water, and the water's rising and you can't get your seat belt off or something. Just cut your seat belt off if it's stuck or something, and then you could break your glass, and then you could call for help with a whistle. Super loud. Anyways, pretty cool device here, guys. I'm actually really impressed with the amount of force this thing generates, and like you said, you saw it just cut right through. It cut right through this no problem. So that was pretty crazy. Pretty impressed, actually, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great day out there, and I'll see y'all next time. Okay, wait, this lid is plastic, so I'm just gonna bust this lid here on top. Check this out here. Just bam! fired that shot right in there, cracked the plastic on there. This thing is legit. Okay, I'm done with this one. Take care, my friends.